Hello guys, what's up? Today, you see this blue slime right here? This has been sitting for a few days now. I've let all the flome beads rise to the top. We are now going to be trying to take some flome beads out of this and making a very flome heavy slime. So, what we're going to try to do is we're just going to try and take the flome beads from the top. Whoa, this is very foamy. Look at this, you guys. This is going to be sticky, but it's fine. It's whatever, man. Get the flome beads. I want to know how this turns out. What do you guys think? Tell me in the comments below. Make your predictions. Before I already do. This is how it is right now. Very foamy. Very crunchy. Alright. Also, like and subscribe right now if you want to enjoy more amazing content like this. We'll be starting to do some Roblox content sometime soon. So stay tuned for that. Look at this one right here. Let's get some more flows. Okay. Alright, this is what it's turned out to be, guys. Were your predictions correct? Look how flome heavy this slime is. It's all flome. Let's take out the rest of this. Let's see. So this is the flome part. This is the less flome part. As you can see, this is a very stretchy, blue, and amazing slime. This is probably one of my favorites, if not my second favorite behind the green one, which I already made a video. Go check that one out. It's amazing. But as you guys can see, look at this. It's so clicky. It's so stretchy. It's crispy. Look at this one. This one's also stretchy, but it has some like weird falls to it. Doesn't really poke, doesn't really do bubbles, it just really, now let's mix them in. Alright, here we go. Alright guys, here's your final product. Only the blue flome butter like slime. So, did you know this one was made with a very thick clear slime and a butter slime with micro flome beads in it? Then glitter and flomes were added and it changed to dark blue. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will catch you in the next one. Peace.